Around with my centerpiece. Cap on. You do not want it here under LED lights. And then no wipe top coat. Apply all and tie the nails. Hope everyone have a great day today, and you all is gonna, if whoever going out, have fun, great time. And now I'm gonna start dress this one up. I'm gonna place the two biggest one, which is size SS 16. And then SS 12. And then we're doing it in like a smaller gradually. Between that, we can put the beads on. Hello, Joanne, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in tonight. But this one is got stuck right there. Okay, good. I am gonna add this one in. And then my metal frame right there. I just want to dress it up a little bit different than yesterday. Happy New Year's, everyone. Hope you have a great time today, and then whoever going out, have fun. Be safe. I just love to dress it up, the nails like that. One more. So here's a tip and trick, okay? If you see me like, why is she adding so many beads on it? If you are place the crystal together, the best way you do is to place them tight together. The closer they are, the better it look, and also better and longer it's gonna last because they are compact together. So if you don't want to place the beads, that's totally fine. It's gonna still look really gorgeous anyway. But if you do, here's a tip and trick. Place them between a connection of two crystals. Like if the two of them are next to each other, you place a crystal in there. Hi, Nail by Priscilla. How are you? Hi, chị Thủy Nguyễn. Thank you, chị. Beautiful, she said. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. We just want to do a nice live tutorial of the last one for 2019. And we are going to celebrate is 2020. We will be off for tomorrow, New Year's, but we will be back on Thursday for another great live tutorials for New Year's. I love this beautiful crystal. Unify is a 13 different color of crystal collections. Mixed different size from SS3 to 16, and they all each come with the crystal jars, beautiful crystal jars. And if you get all 13 of different colors, you also get your VIP box, come with the box. So then it's gonna place your crystal nice in one box. So I am placing on the top of this. I'm start dressing around this. Gradually smaller, and I am going to do it around. Also, I am going to do the beads. And I am going to use, so if you can see that each of them, the beads that I place right between the crystal. So that way they will look nice. There's another one. Just want to make sure I got that right. Let me pull it off for a minute because I think it's hard for me to see on the top of this one. I think it looks good. Yeah, good. Okay. Make sure that's good before we pop in the lamp, and then I am going to using our arrowhead. You can do this arrowhead, or you can using and place right on the end. This arrowhead is really cool though. There's like 4 different colors: silver, gold, rose gold, and the metal gun. I think the onyx color. I'm gonna place a couple of the beads right there before we pop in the lamp. Just one more beads right at the end. If you're happy with this, you can just pop in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm gonna pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds.